So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do in Affinity is go ahead and import out PDF files and then edit them out as well. So to do that, you can simply go to the File menu and then go to Open right here. And once you do that, you can simply navigate to the folder where you have your PDF file stored. Then go ahead and click it and click on Open right here. So once you do that, you can see that I have this PDF file preview and this has more than one pages. So you have an option to select out page. So let's say, for example, you can select 2 or only one of 2 pages right here. But in my case, let me just go ahead and load out all pages. So you can go ahead and import it out as pages or artboards. So let's say I'm going to just import it out as pages, and DPI right here, you can go ahead and set it to what you want right here. So let's say this is for print. So I'm just going to go ahead and then click on DPI. The color space, you can choose whatever you have. You can estimate, you can go ahead and leave it as it is if you want the software to estimate as it is. But what I'm going to do right here is select RGB because I know it's a RGB format right here. Apart from that, you can favor editable text over fidelity. That is, instead of design, if you want editable text, you can go ahead and enable it, and you can group line of text into frames as well. So you can select these settings and press OK. And what happens now is you can see that the PDF loads as pages right here, just like this. So you got 2 pages, you can see right here. And now you can go around and then edit it out as you want right here. So you can see that there's the text right here. You can see that I can go ahead and then edit this out. So you can see that I got this PDF file right here, and I can simply go ahead and edit this out as I want now inside of Affinity. And that is basically how you can go ahead and import out PDF file as necessary. So this, I imported it out as pages. So let me just go around over here and then click on Open. Let's say, for example, and I'm simply going to go ahead and bring this out again as pages. Let's say, for example. So to do that, let me just close it. I'm not going to save it. I'm going to go around over here and then open, let's say, the PDF file right here. So I'm just going to go around and import this out as artboards now right here and click on OK. And once you do that, you can see that instead of pages, you can see that I got it as artboards right here. This is more of the design, like let's say, for example, choice you want for like design. So that is basically how you can go ahead and import out PDF files inside of Affinity and work around with it. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.